Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Apple Home Automation for time-based schedules step by step clearly. Open your Home app on your iPhone or iPad. Ensure that all your HomeKit compatible devices are connected. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Select Add Automation from the menu. Choose a time of day occurs from the available options. Set the desired time for your automation to activate. Select the days of the week you want this automation to run. Tap Next to continue. Now, select the accessories or scenes you want to automate. Adjust any settings for the selected accessories. If necessary, customize the specific actions for each accessory. Once satisfied, tap Next again. Review all the details of your new automation. Tap Done to save your time-based schedule. Your automation is now set up and will activate at the specified times. You can edit or delete the automation at any time through the Home app. Enjoy the convenience of your new time-based home automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.